Okay, so today I'm at the muffler shop getting the Carven exhaust tips put on. So I'm finna get this started right now. Carven exhaust getting put on. City mufflers, Concord. As soon as this gets put on, I'll show y'all the ending result. Okay, so I added the rear splitter to the corners. I'm missing the middle one, but I did add the Carven exhaust tips. So yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys the front as well. I didn't get the side ones; they didn't come in yet. But the front splitter is on. I still got to get the hose covered up for the sensors in the front. I'm gonna do that. But the splitter is on. The cutouts are made for the Scat pack bezels, but I'm at the shop now. About to get these put in. So the next time you see it, they will be in. But the splitter is on, adds a more aggressive look to it. So far, so good. Just finished putting the grill together with the Scat pack bezels. Put the grill on. I still got to put the sensors in where the hose is at, but it's in. They said they wanted a full wraparound, so I'm gonna give it to them. Still need to get the side skirts put in. The side splitters, they didn't come in today. So I got the front. Then got the rear corners. Still missing the middle part. Got the Carven exhaust. Is. There it is. Almost done.